Hello guys. Instagram added the new feature in the last update. So now you can comment Instagram post with a GIF like you can do on Facebook. It's a pretty cool feature. Today I will show you how you can comment with a GIF. First we need to update our Instagram. Open App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. If there's a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds till Instagram installs the latest features. Now head over to Instagram and find some post. Go to the comment section. And as you see on this picture at the down right corner, you can find the GIF icon. When you click on this call pop-up window will show with the GIFs. Just choose a GIF and post a comment. I can't do it because my country doesn't have that feature yet. Enjoy! That will be it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.